Welcome back guys to another video. Today we will be making some smashed potatoes. Stay tuned for the intro.
Share to a friend and make a friend share to a friend. Welcome everyone. Delicious Delights YouTube channel. One of the best cooking around here. Delicious Delights. Come and have a bite. Subscribe. Don't forget to share, like and comment. Delicious Delights YouTube channel. Come along everyone. You know what DD make all of the good juice.
I'm gonna coat the potatoes with some olive oil.
Looking for a perfect cooking YouTube channel. Well, share it up cause this is the right one. Wanna wait for me I get 1 second. Share the video man. Make DD.
Here I'm using a clear glass to smash the potatoes, and this can also be done with a potato presser.
Straight to abroad. Everything sweet when a combo, yeah. Both yard style and international. Share up the video, make we have fun, man. DD Kitchen have the best chefs I ever known. Delicious Delights always have fun.
I will be seasoning the potatoes lightly, and you can use any season of your choice. And guys, if you reach this far in the video and you did not like the video as yet, please go ahead and hit that like button. And if it's your first time here, please subscribe to the channel, touch my notification bell. It will alert you every time when I post a new video. Thank you. I'm gonna go ahead and coat the potatoes again with a little bit of olive oil. Then I'm gonna preheat the oven to 425 degrees, and I will be baking these potatoes for 45 minutes. Guys, remember, if it's your first time here, subscribe to the channel, touch my notification bell. It will alert you every time when I post a video. Comment, like the video, share the video out. Thank you so much. Put God first in everything that you're doing. Guys, be kind to yourselves so you know how to show kindness to others. Here I will be using some dill to dress up the potatoes nicely. Look at them guys. Look how beautiful these are looking. Smells so good. Wow, so delicious guys. Try them out. Look guys, these are so amazing. Oh my god guys, they are so tasty and soft on the inside, crispy and nice on the outside. Please like the video, please try out the recipe. Thank you. They are so yummy and delicious. Wow, try them out. Thank you all so much for your support, and to all my new subscribers, thank you guys so much for subscribing. I am super happy you chose Delicious Delights. And to my old subscribers, thank you guys so much for your continuous support. And to all my silent watchers, thank you guys so much. To my viewers, thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for your support. Give thanks to God for everything guys. Take care of yourselves. Remember to put him first in your life, and I'll catch you again in another video. Bye guys.